Are you ready to transform your spoken communication? Discover how tone, pace, and volume can make your message clearer, more engaging, and more effective. Tone, pace, and volume are crucial in verbal communication. They shape how your message is perceived, help maintain your listener's interest, and ensure your message is understood as you intend. Your tone expresses your feelings and attitude. Whether you sound friendly, formal, or enthusiastic, your tone sets the mood and influences how others respond to you. Notice how different tones change the meaning of your words. A friendly tone welcomes, a serious tone commands attention, and an encouraging tone motivates. To improve your tone, match it to the context. Smiling while speaking can make you sound warmer. Avoid a flat, monotone voice, which can seem uninterested. Pace is the speed of your speech. Speaking too fast may confuse listeners, while speaking too slowly can lose their attention. Adjust your pace to fit your message. Maintain listener attention. Slow down when sharing key information, speed up to show excitement, and use pauses to give your audience time to absorb your message. Try reading a sentence slowly, then quickly. Notice how the meaning and impact change. Practice adjusting your pace for different situations. Volume is how loud or soft you speak. Speaking too softly makes it hard for others to hear you, while speaking too loudly can be overwhelming. Adjust your volume based on your environment and audience. Speak louder in noisy places or to large groups, and softer in quiet or small settings. Engaging speech tone, pace, and volume work together to make your speech engaging and effective. Adjust them to suit your audience and the situation. Avoid common mistakes like speaking too quickly, using a monotone voice, or not adjusting your volume. These can make your message less effective. Practice by recording yourself and listening for tone, pace, and volume. Ask friends or colleagues for feedback to help you improve. Imagine presenting in a meeting. Using a clear tone, moderate pace, and strong volume helps you sound confident and ensures your message is heard. To recap, tone expresses your emotion, pace controls how clearly you're understood, and volume ensures everyone can hear you. Tone shows emotion, pace affects clarity, volume ensures audibility. Start practicing today. Vary your tone, pace, and volume, record your speech, and apply these skills in your daily conversations. Congratulations! You now know how to improve your tone, pace, and volume. In the next lecture, we'll explore how to use powerful and positive language to enhance your communication even further.